Well, Reagan strolled in like Hollywood's sun, selling sunshine and cowboy charm by the ton. With a wink and a grin and a flag-waving tail, he pitched us nostalgia like it was on sale. Morning in America, he'd softly hum. Folks said, yep, we'll take some. Oh, step right up, we've got presidents for sale. Each with their gimmick, their picture, their tale. They don't come with warranties, batteries or bail. Lord, wanna ride through this presidential carousel. Then Obama showed up, cool as mint on ice, selling inspiration like it came in slice. Hope and change flew off the racks, crowds fainted just from hearing him wax. Smooth as jazz on a Sunday night, he sold emotion, sold him right. In Georgia he came with boots and grits, selling safety with now don't you quit. A ranch style accent and a Texan drawl, he pitched security with a southern sprawl. Some called it steady, some called it fear, but he sold that message year after year. Oh, step right up, we've got presidents for sale. Each with a message they mail and regale. Pick them all you trust, or pick the least frail. It's democracy's big old retail. Then old Joe wandered in like her sleepy uncle, selling whispers, mumbles, and the occasional junk. Sometimes a sentence, sometimes not, like a train of thought that just forgot. Means well blessed, he really does try, but oh boy, the teleprompter's the real tough guy. Oh, step right up, we got presidents for sale. Some read smooth, some read like Braille. Some sell policy, some slip off the rail. Hey, it's the White House, not a yard sale. Then Trump burst in like a Vegas parade, selling Trump like it's the world's biggest trade. Watch his sticks, coins, believe me folks, he's the CEO of presidential jokes. Love him or hate him, he'll steal the show and pitch you a wristwatch before he goes. Oh, step right up, we got presidents for sale. Not perfect, not polished, but boy, they're not stale. From cowboy charm to a watch retail, America's journey set to a grand detail. So raise a glass to the leaders we've spun, different flavors, but each one fun. From Reagan to Trump, through cheers and wail, we've had quite a run through the presidential sale.